There, my friends. So I am trying to... Hello there, my friends. I am trying to put a soundtrack, song that I made GarageBand onto an iMovie. So, kind of convoluted. I uploaded the song to my Google Drive from GarageBand, and then I go to my Google Drive, click on three dots for Aldebaran ASMR, which is the track I want to use. Don't steal my title, please. And then I hit open in, and then I go to save to files. And I'm going to save it to downloads, my original songs. And then hit save. So hopefully that worked. Okay, and then I'm going to back out of the Google Drive. I'm going to go to iMovie. And there's the movie that I'm working on, movie 103. And when I click add, go to files, go to downloads, my original songs, Aldebaran ASMR, haha, and it worked. So now that's playing, the music's playing in the background. Fantastic. So a little bit of a convoluted path there. So I thought I'd share it with you guys and gals so you can figure out what's going on here. And as I discover more things about iMovie on the iPhone, I'll let you know. If you have any questions, let me know if this had value to you. Please smash a like because that helps me. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.